If you've looked into the law of attraction and manifestation, chances are high that you've encountered many different practices and techniques. While methods like scripting, affirmations, meditations, and visualizations can and do work, they often aren't taught in ways that make them effective for most people. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to discover how to make your manifestation efforts work, like magic. If you're seeking the fastest and most effective technique, consider something called future pacing. Especially if you want to manifest a big dream or goal, turning to this method can make a significant difference. Future pacing has the potential to accelerate your manifestations, just as it has for me. Future pacing is a technique that helps you see yourself achieving your dreams and goals in the future. Think of it like watching a movie where you are the main character, living the life you want. In this mental movie, you vividly see, feel, and experience every detail of your desired future, making it feel real and attainable. This technique is not just about daydreaming, it's about creating a clear and compelling vision that aligns your subconscious mind with your conscious desires. By doing so, you mentally and emotionally prepare yourself to embrace and achieve these goals. Future pacing is a powerful way to help your mind and body get ready for what you want to attract into your life, making your dreams seem not only possible, but inevitable. Everything in the universe, including our thoughts and feelings, has a vibrational frequency. This concept is rooted in the idea that like attracts like. To attract what you want, you need to match the frequency of your desire. Remember, you can't manifest what you want, you manifest what you are. Imagine tuning a radio to the right station to hear your favorite song. If you're not on the correct frequency, you'll hear static or other stations. But once you find the right one, the music comes in clearly. Similarly, future pacing helps you tune your mind and emotions to the right frequency, making it easier to attract your dreams. When you visualize your future self successfully achieving your goals, you create a strong emotional response. This emotional energy is a high vibrational frequency that aligns with what you want to manifest. The stronger and more positive the emotion, the higher your vibration. For example, feelings of joy, gratitude, and excitement have high frequencies, whereas feelings of doubt, fear, and frustration have low frequencies. By using future pacing to consistently visualize and emotionally experience your desired future, you elevate your vibrational frequency. This makes you a magnet for positive experiences, people, and opportunities that match this high vibration. This is essential for manifesting quickly because you tap into the alignment of what you desire and also amplify it out. In essence, future pacing is like a practice session for your mind and emotions. It trains you to stay in the high vibrational state needed to attract your dreams, much like how athletes visualize their performance to enhance their physical execution. By regularly engaging in future pacing, you condition yourself to naturally align with the vibrational frequency of your desires, bringing them into your reality with greater ease and speed. Step 1. Find a quiet space. To begin future pacing, it's crucial to find a quiet and peaceful environment where you won't be disturbed. This distraction-free space allows you to fully concentrate on the process. Imagine settling into your favorite chair, feeling the soft cushion beneath you, and hearing nothing but the gentle hum of silence. This calm setting is essential for aligning your mind and energy with your goals. Step 2. Once you're in your quiet space, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. This helps you relax and enter a meditative state. Focus your attention on the area between your eyebrows, known as the third eye. The third eye is believed to be a powerful energy center for intuition and visualization. To concentrate on this spot, gently imagine a warm light glowing there. Feel the subtle pressure or warmth, which signifies your focus is in the right place. This focus helps you open your mind to vivid and clear visualizations. Step 3. With your third eye activated, visualize a bright light appearing and growing larger at this point. See it expanding into a radiant portal, like a gateway to your future. This light portal is your entrance to the mental movie of your desired future. Picture the scenes you want to create. Maybe it's driving your dream car, walking through the doors of your new home, or standing confidently in your dream job. Visualize every detail clearly, as if you're watching a high-definition movie of your future life. Step 4. Now, imagine your energy or soul moving from your current self to the future self you see in your vision. As you breathe in deeply, visualize your energy rising. As you exhale, see it moving through the light portal into your future self. Picture stepping into this future version of you, feeling the excitement and joy of achieving your dreams. You are now experiencing life through the eyes of your future self, fully immersed in the reality you want to create. Step 5. Engage all your senses to make this future moment as real as possible. See the vibrant colors around you, hear the sounds of your environment, feel the textures and smell the scents. If you're imagining your dream home, feel the smoothness of the kitchen counter under your fingertips, hear the laughter of loved ones, and smell the fresh flowers on the table. Let yourself feel the emotions, the joy, gratitude, and excitement. The more you amplify these positive emotions, the higher your vibrational frequency becomes, aligning you with your desires. Step 6. After fully enjoying your future experience, it's time to gently return to the present. Slowly bring your focus back to your body sitting in the quiet space. Take a few deep breaths, feeling your connection to the ground beneath you. Imagine your energy settling and rooting into the earth, like planting strong roots that anchor you. This grounding process helps you integrate the positive emotions and high vibrational energy from your future vision into your current reality. Open your eyes slowly, feeling refreshed and empowered, knowing that you have aligned yourself with your dreams. By following these steps, you can immerse yourself in the practice of future pacing, making your goals feel tangible and achievable. This technique not only helps you visualize your desired future, but also prepares your mind and body to attract and manifest it into reality. Future pacing is a powerful technique that allows you to vividly visualize and experience your desired future. By creating a mental movie where you are the main character, you align your thoughts and emotions with your goals. This process helps you match the vibrational frequency of what you want to attract, making your dreams feel not only possible, but inevitable. It enables you to mentally and emotionally prepare for your success, significantly speeding up the manifestation process. Through future pacing, you engage all your senses and amplify positive emotions, which raises your vibration and draws your desires closer to you. Incorporating future pacing into your daily routine can transform the way you approach your goals. It's a simple yet effective practice that requires only a quiet space and a few minutes of your time. The more you practice, the more natural and powerful it becomes. Start small by visualizing simple goals, and gradually move on to bigger dreams. Remember, the key is to fully immerse yourself in the experience, feeling the emotions and sensations of your future self. With consistent practice, you'll notice a profound shift in your mindset and the speed at which you manifest your desires. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. I can't wait to hear what you are able to manifest, so please leave a comment below and let us know how it works out for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more and click the bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for joining us on this journey to create the life of your dreams.